This is me in the morning. And this is what Cottonwood is like now. You know that biplane? Well, that biplane, and there's another one with them, is in the air all the time now. And it's ironic to have such a quiet place that is now filled with biplane going around. But it's a Ripple Pilot company over in Prescott are us paying to fly into this valley and basically go in circles in our airspace and just land and take off and land so people can learn how to do it. It isn't ethical, but it is legal. And so something as basic as that can really rob the peace of mind. See, you hear that? Right overhead. It's just a second ago, there was another one, which is so ironic. I moved from the city to this country town of less than 13,000 people to get away from the pollution from the airports and from the cities. Crazy, huh?